At the very heart of Africa lies the Republic of Burundi, a land full of promise, a nation looking to the future, and a country on a mission to maximize its true potential. A part of the East African community supporting one people, one destiny. Burundi borders Tanzania, Rwanda, and the Democratic Republic of Congo, with Kenya and Uganda close by. The southwest region of this landlocked nation rolls into the beautiful Lake Tanganyika, while its mass encompasses rolling hills, rift valleys, and varied landscapes. It is home to around 10 million people, with a land area of over 27,000 square kilometers, and the capital city is Bujumbura.
Bujumbura is located in the center of an amazing geographical location. So we have the second deepest lake in the world. Anyone can have access to the lake, and the climate is wonderful. So Bujumbura is 365 destination for anyone. But also it's a city which is built around our historical heritage, the colonial time, the Belgium especially, the architecture, the construction, and also the people who came to live in Burundi over the past decades. We have those who came here as business traders, who came from Tanzania or other part of the world, and then Burundian ourselves from other regions.
When we compare Burundi and Rwanda, and we talk about, in terms of development, obviously the war ended in 1994 in Rwanda. And it pretty much started in 1994 in Burundi. That means that we are 10 years behind in terms of the two countries. While they were developing, Burundi was actually in the war, which means we've done actually tremendously well compared, because in 2005, when the elections were held, Burundi didn't look the way it looks today. So it means with time, we're gonna catch up. Burundi has done really, really well as far as investment is concerned. They've looked at the neighbors, what Kenya, Rwanda, Tanzania, Uganda, and Rwanda have done, and they've said, let's copy this model, and they actually try to overtake them. The API, the Investment Promotion Authority, has given its objective that if you come in Burundi and you want to register a company, they want to make sure that today, that particular day, you get registered and you get documents. It's a one-stop shop, and it's a good thing.
The Burundi workforce and the relatively low salaries still make it an attractive place for potential manufacturers.
The people are extremely friendly, very well educated, and willing to learn, open-minded, especially when it comes to other cultures and traditions and new businesses. Burundi is geographically situated between very large powers in the area: Congo, Kenya, Tanzania, Zambia, South Africa. If you were to base yourself here, you would be close to everything in the subcontinent. And that's a very good reason to be here.
Your home away from home in Bujumbura. Featuring world-class facilities and services, City Hill has what international visitors are looking for. Relax around our pool. Work out in our fitness room. Have a quiet drink in our bar and sample some of the finest Burundi and international cuisine has to offer in our restaurant. City Hill Hotel welcomes you to beautiful Burundi. Alpha CD Technology. As East Africa's first furniture manufacturer, we have developed the expertise to produce fine wooden furniture for markets in Africa and beyond. Alpha CD Technology, guided by excellence.
Safi maji matulivu.